Is this for real? We went out on a whim today and we came to Target to do some sourcing, which I never do. I had the idea to come into the toothpaste aisle because I've sold this toothpaste before. I just wanted to see if it was here. And we literally just got in the store 5 minutes ago. So this is gonna be the fastest $100 challenge I've ever done. We got this toothpaste right here, 3-pack, $7.79 inside Target. You see right now the buy box is at $21.99 FBM. Under 100K rank, 50 plus sales a month. This is light. It's gonna go in a poly mailer, right? FBM for about $5. Every time this sells, we're gonna make $5.90. And they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 in stock. We'll go down to our quantity. We'll type in 17. Buy cost will be $132. Profit will be $100. We can see down here that this obviously sells, right? It was sold out for a while. We can confirm that it is selling 50 times a month and the price history is stable, right? Stable price. So fastest $100 challenge ever. $132 buy cost, $100 profit on these toothpaste right here. And the fly thing about it is because we're at Target, if I pull up my map and I look at all the Targets in my area, there's gonna be 15 of them that come up. So I could easily spend today going to every single Target. Let's say they have 17 of these at every Target, and let's say there's 10 Targets around where I'm at. That's 170 of these units. Let's do some math. 170 units, $1,300 buy cost, $1,000 profit on just this toothpaste. Granted, it's only selling 50 times a month. So, you know, if you got credit cards, you got money at your disposal, buy all these toothpaste, send them in FBA, and 1 to 3 months, you'll have your profit back from this. For the sake of this video, we'll probably do a little bit more sourcing, but very first aisle we came into, $100 profit, just like that. That's kind of crazy. Fuck the rock got going on. I don't see a price on these, but let's just see. I mean, they're selling for $10, but unless they're like $3, it won't be profitable. Low key, this is another Target Bolo. I've sold these before. It's selling like, I think, a 3-pack or a 5-pack. Shit not busting no more. All right, I think we cool here, bro. 18 grams of protein. Right, drink this shit right now. 12 of these goes for $58.99, so it'll be $24. By the way, we left Target because we couldn't find anything else besides the toothpaste, even though I didn't really look that hard. But yeah, so this would be $24. And we're FBMing it, which would be about $8. It don't sell that many times a month, but it is $18 profit on some chicken soup. Got a banger right here. So we got these peppermint candies going for $6.49, right? Selling 200 times a month. Buy box currently is $16.99. We can see right there, FBA seller. FBM though, I would sell these FBM. Throw these in a poly mailer and make $3.94 profit off every sale. 60% ROI, not bad. They got a bunch of them here at Ollie's. You know how dirty of a kid you gotta be to want fucking gummy bologna? Like, I don't even think kids know what bologna is, let alone, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is just a bad product in general, bro. Cause no kid is gonna be like, hey, Dad, can I get some gummy bologna? No, said no kid ever. This was bad, bro. That was a bad choice for them.
Is it profitable?
No, their market is who? Who likes bologna in the first place? And even if you do, who wants gummy bologna, bro? This is a bad idea too. You mean to tell me you want $1 for some Halloween Kit Kats, bro? I just seen this in Target. No motion. See if this is profitable though. We found a 2-pack for $40. Yeah, that's a good little 40% ROI right there. My math is off. It's 460. Still a 38% ROI on these. $230 each. Selling for $15 on Amazon. Selling 700 times a month. A good little 38% ROI. I guess that's the only one unit here, but if you know Ollie's, you know there's a million locations. I'm sure you can find more of those somewhere else. This is dirty as fuck. Bacon lovers collection, bro. Bacon flavored pink salt, bacon flavored basil salt, bacon flavored rosemary salt, bacon flavored chili salt. However, it is on Amazon and it's not profitable. Of course, that's not the right size, or this would have been fire. It would have been crazy. Hold on, we still might have. It's just not good. They don't got the right size. So sus. I'm not eating that shit. Nut cakes. I said one thing about me, I'm always gonna find a banger. It don't matter what state I'm in, I'm always gonna find a buster, bro. It's a $9 buy cost, right? 2-pack is going on Amazon for $29. Even though the pack looks like this, we could just put 2 units in. It's the same thing. Just because, you know, this pack on Amazon is sold and it looks like this all in one pack, don't mean we can't just sell them 2 of these, right? Fresh lemon, $29. 450 times 2 is gonna be $9. $11 profit. And they got a whole bunch of these. So every two of these is $11 profit. Always gonna find a banger in here. Look, we got fucking fresh lemons for days. Fresh lemons for days, all down the bottom, all up the top, more boxes up top. Damn, this aisle smell good as fuck. This is profitable at 48% for this body wash, but the only thing that I don't like about it is the fact that the BSR is a little high. The sales are $25 a month, and it's for all variations, right? So when you see the V up there, don't just assume that this product is selling that many times. The sales are actually split among all the variations. In this case, there are 2 variations. So realistically, this 25 sales a month are split between both of these products. So I'm gonna pass on that one. That's gonna wrap it for today's $100 challenge. We stopped keeping track of the profits once we left Target, but we just wanted to go on Ollie's and just show you some quick sourcing tips because Target ended up being so quick. As always, like, follow, subscribe. If you're interested in learning how to sell on Amazon, shoot me a message on Instagram and I'll personally respond and we can talk about everything there. Have a good one.